What's up guys, I am back with another video and I just kind of wanted to do a get ready with me because I just thought that's something simple to do. So right now I am in my boyfriend's dorm because I'm going to be eating lunch with him and his dad, and then I know for dinner we're gonna have Chick-fil-A, so that's cool. But first off, I'm just tying my hair back, and I didn't bring like a headband, but I usually do to pull these bangs back because they're pretty annoying. First thing I use on my face is this Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Control Moisture. I don't know if it really works, but I feel like my acne could be worse if I didn't use it. I definitely want to try new skin products this year, but I just have been using this one for a while, so I'm continuing to use it. So my makeup routine is pretty simple. I'm just going to do my everyday thing that I normally do. So the first thing I use is a color correcting concealer. I just put that on my like red spots on my face. This one is from, I think it's Maybelline. Yeah, it's a Maybelline product. I just take a brush and dab it in here because, you know, it's easy. I try not to put too much of this on my face just because otherwise your face is just green, and I don't wear foundation. I'll just put concealer on my face. The good thing with bangs too, I don't have to stress if my forehead's not looking good. It's, you know, not that bad today, but. So I got this brush from a friend, and it is, I don't even know how to say it, Japonesque, something like that. So it's just, it has green on one side, so I like to use that. Just kind of blend that in. I do like this brush because it's like a sponge. Next, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. It's in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just going to put that on my blemish areas. Especially where I put the green, because otherwise it's just green. Okay, and then I also like to put some under my eyes, but I don't like to put like a bunch. Now I have a beauty blender. It's not by the brand, but it's kind of a knockoff, I'm pretty sure. But I'm just going to be blending those in. I just set all of that with a pressed powder, and this is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and it's in the color 130. I think it's a hint darker for my skin tone, but well. Alright. I just think this makes it look a lot more matte and your face isn't as oily. My face does tend to get dry though, but this doesn't dry it out at all, which is nice because I've had a few that tend to dry my face out a lot. Now I'm going to take a brush to do blush. This is what I've been using for blush. I used to use Maybelline's Dream Bouncy Blush in the color Peach Satin. I used to use this religiously, but I don't know, I kind of just stopped using that because I've been liking a lot more powder. That one's like a cream blush, so I've been liking the powder look better. It just blends easier, I feel like, too, so I'm just gonna be putting that on my brush. Oh yeah, this is Maybelline New York's Master Contour in the shade Light to Medium. I'm just gonna be putting that on the apples of my cheeks, and kind of, I like to brush it up a little bit. So some days I do contour, but today I'm not going to because I just want it to be very natural. Contouring can look natural, but I don't feel like doing it today. So for eyebrows, I used to use, I have two of these pencils, and they're the Brow Stylist Designer by L'Oreal Paris, and it's in the color Dark Brunette. So I use these a lot. And that's why I got two, because I knew I was going to be using them, but I've actually instead been using like a gel eyeliner for my eyebrows, just because my eyebrows are naturally very, very dark. Like, this is their natural color. My hair is a bit darker. I dye it a bit darker than it actually is, but it ends up matching the natural color of my brows, so it's kind of interesting. But I usually just use this on my eyebrows, and I used to be very particular on how they looked, but now I'm not as particular because I have bangs. Bangs just make things kind of easier. I don't know. I'm just going to slightly be filling these in. I like it to look pretty natural. This is my bad eyebrow. So the other one I can always get to look good, but this one is like iffy sometimes. And this one's a bit shorter, so if your eyebrow does tend to be a bit shorter, you can just kind of pull it out a bit. I'm just gonna take this brush on the end and kind of blend what I did. I'm thinking about trying to use this pencil again more. It's just hard because the darker color looks so much better on my brows. I think I just need a darker shade in this pencil, so we'll see. I'm going to be doing my eyes now, so I just have the Naked palette. That's one I brought with me today. So now I'm going to be just putting on a base at first. I'm not really worrying about putting a primer on today. Again, today's just going to be, you know, a pretty chill day. It is the day before my classes start at college, so... And the color I'm using as the base is the color Foxy. This is the brush I'm using. I don't know where it's from. I'm going to be using this next. It's an Eco Tools brush, and I'm going to be taking the color Suspect and putting that on the lids of my eyes. I like this color because it's just kind of a neutral color, but it has a little sparkle in it, so it's not just plain Jane all the way. I'm going to be taking another Eco Tools brush. I'm going to be taking the color Tease at first and just kind of blending that into the crease area in the outer corner of my eye. This color is a really good kind of transition color. It's matte, which I really appreciate. I've used a lot of it, so it's really good for natural looks. I'm also going to be taking the color Snakebite, and this is just a darker brown color. I just want to kind of darken up the outside a bit. It's just a little bit darker. I'm going to be taking the color Verve and mixing it with Booty Call, and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone with that. Even though you're not going to be able to see my brow bone, but... And last, with my eyeshadow, I'm going to take Verve again and put that on the inner corners of my eye to just kind of brighten the look up. I really like how it looks when it's brighter, especially when it is a more natural look. I like to kind of make something pop, you know? For mascara, I like to mix. So what I'm going to be doing is using this I'm going to be using this CoverGirl mascara, and this is the Bombshell Volume by Lash Blast, and it has two sides, but I only like the side that's number one. Number one just really separates your eyelashes a lot, and that's why I like it a lot better. I don't like the second side because it's extremely clumpy. I think there's a difference between like buildable and clumpy. Now, I don't know how good this is to curl your eyelashes once you put mascara on, but that's what I do. I like to curl them once I put mascara on because I feel like it sticks up just a little bit better. Now, the other one I'm going to be putting on is CoverGirl's Lash Blast Volume Waterproof Mascara. It's in the color Black Brown, which I didn't mean to get when I got it, but I still like it. It's a nice natural color too, which I appreciate. So I'm just putting this on my eyelashes. I think the one thing that I couldn't live without is mascara. Like, even the days when I'm like, Kendra, go with no makeup, I always seem to put mascara on. I just feel like it makes me look more awake. And I just love eyelashes. Eyelashes are fun. I don't know how eyelashes can be fun, but they are. I'm also putting some on the bottom. Besides that, now it's time for lipstick. As chapstick, I am putting on Baby Lips. It is the sunscreen one, just the normal kind. I got this lip kit for Christmas from my friend, and it is by Revolution, and I think I like it. I really like this color, but this doesn't look like this. This is a lot more squashy. That's the only way I can explain it. It's kind of like a weird squashy color, and it doesn't match this that well, but it like blends in, so I'm still using it, trying to figure it out. I do always like to line my lips. I just feel like it's kind of a must. And this is a matte, like liquid lipstick. The color is just a bit more neutral, like it doesn't have as yellow tones as the liner does. But I don't know what iron I'm using. It's by Remington. I don't remember where I got it. Probably Walmart. Find my bangs. Oh, I have a knot. Okay. Okay. That's better. To get to my bangs, I like to put my hair back because otherwise it's hard to tell where they are. Bangs are really annoying. I do like them, they're just annoying sometimes. I got these bangs, I think it was the 3rd of January. So I just sectioned my hair off. I usually take like the top half of it, and I'm just going to be straightening my hair. When I had longer hair, I always curled my hair, so I hated straightening my hair when it was long because it wouldn't stay straight.
What's up?
Hi. This is Garrett.
Hi.
Okay. So here is it all straightened. So here's my outfit that I wore today, and my shirt is from Forever 21, extremely comfy. My pants I've had for a while, but they're from Aeropostale, and then my boots I just got, and they're the brand Lauren Blackwell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope your day or night is really great, and I will see you in the next video. Subscribe if you liked it, and comment below for any video ideas. So I will see you soon.